What up, YouTube? Back again with another video. Wanted to do an unboxing of the new Galaxy Watch Ultra. I had the Galaxy Watch 6 and I wasn't gonna get this one, but they had a good deal on with the bundle on day one, so I went with the all black or gray, they called it, Galaxy Watch Ultra. And I did get the dark gray marine band. I'm supposed to get the trail band too, so I hope that's inside here, but we'll see. Alright, let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. It's a Galaxy Watch Ultra. It's the Watch 7. It's 47 millimeters, LTE and Bluetooth, Wi-Fi capable. There is no Bluetooth only this time around. Alright, without further ado, it's got a little tab here. So I don't think I'll need my unboxing knife. I know y'all like that Rambo style unboxing knife, but maybe for the watch band. Alright, let's see what's inside here. Alright. So we got a box inside a box. Alright, good. They did get my dark gray trail band. So let's see what else is in here. Anything else? Alright. So nothing else inside here, just a couple boxes inside a box. All right. Let's get this bad boy open. And for all you Rambo lovers, I'm gonna go ahead and take out the knife. Go ahead and this is the trail band, and then also the marine band. So I'm just gonna open those up too. The bands only come in a medium large. There's no small medium. So for those of us with smaller wrists, good luck to all of us. Alright, let's do this. That looks nice. It's shiny. See, I wasn't going to get this one because I really don't like the orange. I don't care that everybody was saying that it was a Apple Watch Ultra clone. I don't really agree with that. Obviously, it has a lot of similarities to the Apple Watch, but Apple copies off of Samsung all the time too. Look at their iOS 18. iOS 18 is basically a ripoff of everything that Samsung users, Android users have had for forever. So, I just didn't like the orange. I prefer black and red, or maybe just black on black. Alright, so inside this box, you get your quick start guide, nothing else on this side. And then on this side, you're going to have you got your charger. So it's USB-C, does not come with a brick in the box, and it's magnetic. So there you go, see? Just sticks to the magnet and then plugs in. Here you got all your little sensors, heart rate sensors and whatnot. And a little sticker. Take that sticker off. All right. Let me open up This is supposed to be just an unboxing, not really an unveiling, but I will go ahead and turn it on while we unbox the bands. Alright, so there is the marine band. I'm sorry, the trail band. So apparently marine band and trail band, one is geared towards water, the marine band. This one is geared towards more trail use, running around. And it's just that. It's just one long band that you... oh, and it does actually say small, medium, large. Okay. So one continuous band. These are the parts. You connect it. I think you just push it on. Am I doing this wrong? Doing this. Okay, so yeah, you just push it on. I didn't want to push too hard and break the thing. I just got it. Push this side on. There's a little bit of alignment, which is hard to do here while I'm looking past this camera. All right, so it's not as easy as I thought. There you go. But in the process, I almost turned it off. Okay, then you just put it on. The cool thing about this one is that you can basically tighten it as tight or as loose as you want it. And then just adjust. I think you should be able to adjust this part. All right, let me look at this off screen for a second. So you can't adjust this part. This part is already through a loop, as you can see. So you have to go ahead and put it on. You have to adjust it. Then it's got to be long enough to reach the other side. So that, for me, I don't like that. That's way too tight. And I did not order a small, medium, large. But apparently small, medium, large is all they have. That is way too tight. And I don't even have huge wrists. But anyways, so it just says you'll see it pop up. And then it connects to your phone. Here's my phone. There's the pop-up. New device. Go ahead and hit connect. I'll do that afterward. But there's no rotating bezel like on the Watch 6 Classic. It's a internal digital bezel. And then you have your action button here. All right, I gotta take this off. Talk amongst yourselves. Make some friends. All right, well, I finally got it off. And believe me, that was no easy task. So now there's these little buttons here on each side. And you press the button and then it pops off. So way easier than it was to put it on. Now I'm just gonna put this one away because I don't think this one is actually gonna ever fit me. And then hopefully this one will fit me. All right. So this is the dark marine gray. And that popped in way easier than the other one. Maybe because the other one was a little bit flexible. This one's a little bit more rigid. But you're just supposed to push it. See, you hear that click. And then, yeah, that's better. I mean, I still got some room there. I can make it a little bit tighter. Feels good too. All right, well that is the Galaxy Watch Ultra and the two Trail Band and Marine Band. Like I said, the Trail Band is, it says here, small, medium, large, so I guess it's a one size fits all, but it's more like a one size fits most because it didn't fit me and I don't have huge wrists. This one doesn't have a size on here, but I know when I was ordering it, the only size options were medium, large, not small, medium. So maybe I do have I think I have more of a medium wrist. Anyways, I will see you all in the next video. Like and subscribe.